Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan shrimp from scratch. The secret to achieving that authentic, bouncy texture lies in konjac powder, also known as glucomannan. This incredible plant-based ingredient, derived from the konjac root, is what gives our vegan shrimp its firm bite. We'll also incorporate plant-based milk, a touch of seaweed for that ocean essence, and various seasonings to build a truly delicious flavor profile. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Now, let's prepare our konjac base. Begin by whisking together 2 tablespoons of konjac powder with 1 cup of cold water or plant-based milk until smooth. Transfer this mixture to a saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly. You'll notice it thickening quite rapidly, becoming a very dense, translucent gel. Continue stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes until it pulls away from the sides of the pan. This ensures a perfectly firm texture for our shrimp. Once your konjac mixture has cooled slightly, it's time for the fun part: shaping. Knead the dough gently to achieve a smooth, pliable consistency. Then, take small portions and mold them into those familiar curved shrimp shapes. For an authentic ocean flavor, marinate these little beauties in a blend of finely chopped nori seaweed, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a generous dash of Old Bay seasoning. Let them soak up all those wonderful flavors for at least 30 minutes. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your homemade vegan shrimp. You can pan fry them in a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden and slightly crispy. Alternatively, steaming them for 5 minutes or baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes also works well. Serve these versatile vegan shrimp with a zesty cocktail sauce, tossed in a stir-fry, or as a delightful addition to your favorite pasta dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.